Alright, well today we're going to be demonstrating how to access Project Web application on an iPad. And you can see here we've got a standard iPad first edition, and it's got our normal home screen and all of our applications. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open an application that is going to allow us to get direct access to our Project Web application, our project server. So if I click on it, the first thing you're going to see is our PWA homepage here on our iPad. And you'll see it's fully functional. I can highlight things, I can move them around. And let's go over to our Project Center just to show functionality. Click on Project Center. Here we go. You'll see it'll open our Project Center, and we have the full window that can shrink and close. We can take a look at expanding, just like we do in PWA today. Let's shrink this window over a little bit. And it's got full functionality of PWA, so I can take my button bar and move it over. I can look at drill downs. There we go. I can move that over a little bit. So I have all the hand gesture motions I would have with an iPad. Let's see here. And so I can see my executive dashboard. And I can even do things such as look at or initiate a new project from PWA, all using my iPad. So this is great for management folks that are walking around the building. They want to get information. You can see it's called it pulled up one of my PDPs. And just to show how detailed we can get with this, I can again expand any of the information here I have in IE and drill into any projects I have. It's going to give me full functionality into that. And you'll see now I have my drill down. I can edit my schedule. I can go in, take a look at details on the schedule, even drill in and see issues and risks. So I have full PWA functionality, and I can even start to get any kind of reports out. So I can look at my workflows. I can even go to the BI Center and get some BI reports and kind of move those around a little bit. So you see I'm dragging those over. I've got a dashboard here we've created that shows cost and projects all together. I can make it bigger or smaller in the window, which is great. Let's enlarge that a little bit. And then I can always go and use all of my core functionality in PWA. And you see all the hand gestures I use on my iPad are all reflected here. Opening up our BI Center. And we have full BI, so I can look at some of my corporate dashboards here. So it's almost like I'm working on my desktop as I would remotely, and I can get full functionality on the iPad. This is something we hadn't seen with any other application. Let's look at our corporate dashboard here. Building out our dashboard. There we go. So some of the core dashboards that are built into Project Web Application are here, all enabled for our iPad. You can see, again, we have drill up and drill down. It's going to render all of our reports. Using our finger gestures, again, I can make this bigger or smaller. I can make changes to it just like I would in the full client. Move up a little bit. Apply those changes, and my dashboard is going to change as well. So what we've really done is we've enabled the ability to get to PWA through our iPad. And just go back to our home page here, and we can access any of the underlying SharePoint content that's there too. You can do our portfolio management here, and always go back to our home page. So this is PWA on the iPad. And there's our home page with all of our task assignments, and we even have the ability to access our task assignments and our timesheets right in PWA. So again, for anybody using the iPad, it's a great way to enable PPM and EPM functionality.